Alright guys, it has been cold, it has been miserable, it's been spit snow, freezing rain, ice, you name it, we got it. Alright, maybe it hasn't been that bad, but it's been cold and miserable. We're getting ready to head out on our next adventure. Lucky us, we're going to go play in the water. There's a local boat ramp down here. They got a big tree floated down, landed on their dock. Worried about it twisting or tweaking it up or whatever, so been putting this job off for a couple days, hoping the water would go down, because the water's still, I don't know, 2-3 feet higher than what it's supposed to be, and you can't actually see the dock. So I got to move the track. I ain't got time to wait. We're going to go down there and try to fish this tree off the dock, pitch it out in the river, get rid of it before it tears something up. Hopefully don't end up getting our feet wet or anything else wet. Don't need to be wet, so not really for sure how this is going to go. Steel tracks on an icy cold boat ramp don't sound like a lot of fun today, but I guess that's what we're going to try to tackle. So I'm going to finish chowing down on my sandwich here because I'm hungry and it's lunchtime. And we're going to head down there and see what happens. I know I'm probably just a big wuss, but birds cold out there. This old girl usually starts pretty good. Let's hope she don't let me down today. Sweet, time to go to work. Alright, so here's the plan. This log over here, we got a boat dock underwater right there. Gotta lift that log up, throw it over that boat dock and get it down the river. I'm thinking I need to head out there and tear that barge just as a no wake zone, but I really don't think he cares what I got to say this morning. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, I owe you guys an apology. I was going back looking through all the videos on my phone and realized that whenever I actually got the tree off the dock, I never hit the darn record button. So there's no video of getting the tree off the dock. Good news is it went pretty good, no problems. The thing was about, I don't know, 45, 50 feet long, but got it off there, tossed it down the river, it's gone. So, but on the other hand, they had me get some trees off the pier down there. I did get some video of that, so you still get to see me throw trees in the river. I don't know if you can see it out there, but there's a bunch of debris stuck on that old pier. I'm trying to walk across this riprap without damaging that dang sidewalk down through there, and at least get the big stuff chunked off there and get it down the river so it stops collecting there. So see what happens. My luck, it's probably all going to float down there and get stuck on the boat dock. I just got the log off of it on there, saw that sail, but oh well, I'm not going to worry about all this small stuff. When the water comes up the next time, it'll flush it out. The big stuff's off of the pylons there, so should be good to go. Get out of here, head to the house, and warm up. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.